हेलो मैम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ प्रियंका खुमान। तो जैसे कि आप लोग ने देखा होगा आज का वीडियो किस पे होने वाला है। मैंने अपने ब्रिटिश फ्रेंड को इनवाइट किया है फॉर एन इंडियन डिनर। उसने मुझे बोला था कि उसने इंडियन फूड खाया है यहाँ इंग्लैंड में, लेकिन आई डोंट ट्रस्ट हिज वर्ड्स क्योंकि उसने जो इंडियन खाया होगा ना वो डेफिनेटली इंडियन नहीं होता है। बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट दैट स्पाइसी। वो मसाला नहीं होता है उसके अंदर जो हम इंडियंस हमारे अंदर जो क्रेविंग्स होती है ना, वैसे मसाले बिल्कुल नहीं होते। एकदम जैसे मुझे लगता है फीका फीका लगता है मुझे यहाँ का खाना। तो इसीलिए मैंने इसको इनवाइट किया है कि उसको मैं दिखाऊँ व्हाट इज़ एन इंडियन फूड एंड हाउ इट टेस्ट लाइक्स। और वैसे मैं खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाती हूँ, तो खुद की तारीफ नहीं करनी चाहिए। लेकिन एनीवेज वो आज रात को डिनर पे आ रहा है और मैं उसका रिव्यू भी लेने वाली हूँ। तो एंड तक देखिएगा इस वीडियो को कि मेरे ब्रिटिश फ्रेंड को इंडियन खाना पसंद आया या नहीं। सीटी बजने वाली है। ये ऑनियंस मुझे हमेशा रुलाती है। आई डोंट लाइक दिस। शाही पुलाव जो रेडी हो चुका है और इसको थोड़ी देर पकने लेते हैं ताकि ये अच्छे से बन जाए। स्मेल्स रियली गुड। खाना बना दिया है। मैंने पाव भाजी बनाया है या और शाही पुलाव बनाया है। तो ये दोनों चीज़ें मैंने बनाई है। अभी बंस मैं थोड़े टाइम बाद मैं थोड़ा सा गर्म करूँगी क्योंकि अभी ठंडा हो जाएगा। वैसे वेदर बहुत ठंडा है तो खाना मेरा बन चुका है और विलियम 7 बजे तक आता होगा, तो उसके बाद ही पता चलेगा कि कैसा बनना है। मुझे तो सही लग रहा है, लेकिन अभी पता नहीं उसको स्पाइसी ना लगे, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा स्पाइसी खाना अच्छा लगता है। अभी पता नहीं, लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़। Oh my god, it is raining. Oh god, I'm sorry. You can put it back.
Thank you.
Oh, come in. I'm so sorry, and that is
Even
really
filming,
annoying.
unbelievable. I can't believe you're doing it when I look this crap.
You're
You've got to
looking
be
good.
joking.
You're looking good.
I'm not looking good. I'm looking
How
warm.
are you?
Wet.
Right. Oh, let's go upstairs.
Alright. The thing is, what I find really funny is you switch between Hindi and English.
Oh yeah, I don't know how I do that, but it happens.
You don't do it like you don't do it by choice. You just randomly in the middle of the sentence break into it.
Exactly, it happens.
And so I go from having loads of idea what you're saying to having absolutely no idea at all.
Oh, wait on.
So it's nice.
But it's okay, some of them won't understand you. Because...
Well, to anyone who does understand me, thank you very much.
We're talking to someone. This is for you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, start it. And tell me how it looks.
It looks really nice.
Looks nice, yeah?
So is this, what's it called basically?
Okay, so this is Pavbhaji.
I'm
Pav
not going
and-
to be able to pronounce that.
Okay, Pavbhaji.
Pavbhaji.
Yeah, perfect.
Right,
And
okay.
this is Pulao.
Oh, Pulao, right.
Pulao,
okay.
you know, like vegetable rice.
Yeah.
So you can see vegetables. And
Yeah.
this is also made up of
Have
vegetables
you
only.
mixed this with any egg at all by any chance?
No.
Right, okay, interesting.
Yeah, because if I put some eggs, then it will be egg biryani.
Right, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Fair enough then. Right,
Yeah,
okay.
try
there
it.
you go. Why
We eat this with this. I'm just teaching you, I don't know why.
That's blown my mind. Right, so what is the protocol then? How is there a special way it needs to be eaten?
No, you can eat however you want to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
No,
try it.
I'll do it the way that you recommend first.
Yeah, just do it. Yeah, and have like this.
That just looks
Come
so-
on,
it-
come on!
it-
No one is watching you.
No, it just like. The thing is, what you got to remember is like, I've lived in England all my life, and so just watching someone with what is essentially a curry just wipe a bit of bread through it,
Come on.
it messes with my head.
Oh my god, this is.
What do you want from me? What
Come
do
on,
you
do
want
it,
from
do
me?
it, do it, do it, do it.
It's not staying on.
Okay, no, it's fine. How it is?
It's really nice.
Nice.
Forget I've grown up with an Indian family.
Yeah. So by the way, Will's grandmom is an Indian. Yeah.
Came over here at the age of 6.
But he is a Britisher. Right or mixed?
It depends. If I want to call someone racist, then I'm an Indian. But if I want to pretend like I'm English, then I say that instead. It depends whether I want to annoy people or not.
Yeah, there was so many questions from my like in YouTube family. They say, "Are Britishers racist? Have you faced any racism?" I'm like, no. How can I say that?
I've faced a ton of it. I'm British and I've faced a ton of racism.
Who did that?
Everyone back home, they always did it. York is absolutely lovely, but it is a very racist place. But it's a funny kind of racism. See, every single British person who watches your videos will now murder you for this sentence.
It's an Indian way. Why? It's an Indian
It's
way.
not the correct way.
No.
Absolutely no way.
Why you guys always want to be correct in every way?
I
Because
don't want
it's
to
an
be.
Indian tea, so it has to be in an Indian way.
I don't care how you make your tea, but every other British person on the
How
planet
do
will.
you make your tea? Tell me.
So first of all, you don't use a pan, you use a kettle, and every British person will back you on this. Secondly, what you do, you get like a mug, you put a tea bag in the mug. And
I understand. I've made those teas in the McDonald's all the time. Yeah.
No,
Okay.
but then it's the order, critically. The water always goes in first.
Yeah, I know.
There are crazy people out there who put the milk in first,
Yeah.
and they get shot for it. And then
Sorry.
water goes in, and then the milk. Then you stir, and then if you want any sugar, then you put it in a mix. That is the correct way to do it.
It's a correct way because that's correct English way, not an Indian way. Because
sorry,
in India, everyone makes tea, as I addressed to you.
Right. No one would tell you, and I don't mean this in an offensive way, no one would tell an Indian how to make a curry.
Exactly, but still, Indian tea, I have
It doesn't make a difference, they're water-soluble bags.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with
Yeah.
you because are you finished?
Yeah, I'm finished,
Okay.
thank you. Bless you, thank you, that was really nice.
Nice, really.
Yeah.
Thank you. It was my pleasure.
The camera's
Okay, so will tell me how was the food?
It was absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for cooking it for me.
Okay, and do you want to try it again?
Yeah, definitely try it again at some point, but you know,
Some
I need a bit of time to recover first. You're not the best cook.
Okay, people hear this, I'm a best cook, that's what he said. And he like Indian food. Do you like Indian food?
I do really like
But you
it.
remember what it was?
Oh no, I can never remember the name. I remember the taste though.
Okay, you remember the taste, that's
I
good.
enjoyed the taste.
Okay, perfect.
I
Thank
could
you.
never pronounce it again.
Oh, okay, thank you. It was good having you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Good having you as well.